the last episode for Nibangya night preparation.
Fake homies do turn a fake. Roll my blunt, fill my cup, beat my bitch, hold my gun, load it up, count my slugs. Yeah, they don't know nothing. Roll my blunt, beat my bitch, that's my bitch. They don't know nothing. Roll my blunt, fill my cup. That's my bitch. They don't know nothing. Roll my blunt, fill my cup, beat my bitch, rub my gut, rub your butt, beat my slut, beat my cunt. Yeah, so what? Fuck them hoes. They don't know nothing. Fuck they talk about. They don't know nothing.
Episode 5, Artemo Parts installs Nibangya night preparation.
The Philippines claim victory once again. With their unstoppable force and unmatched skills, anything is possible. Stay tuned as we bring you all the action and excitement from the MC.
Pilipinas pinakamalakas.
So boss, bumili tayo ng grade 5 titanium na washer. Dito natin sa lalagay sa radiator case. Kasi nga, sobrang sela natin mga boss. Gusto natin detalyado kahit washer lang yan. Tapos, yung sunod natin, itong isang washer din. Para naman dito sa radiator. Kasi nga, makikita nyo, yung gap nung washer dito sa radiator, parang masagwating yan. Para ma-cover up nyo yung buong bilog na yan. Ito yung gagamitin natin para maganda tignan. Kasi pag sobrang selan mo na, lahat ng papalitan mo. Ito ba? Ito pa. Ito. Hindi naman ayaw ko yung washer na stainless. Para kasi mas may dating pag ganito eh. Pag ito yung pinasok mo dito. Subukan natin. Haba man. Ito yung parang kakalabasan nyo. Parang ganyan. Kasi pag yung isang washer lang, parang ang plain. Para may dating. May dating. Okay. Pwede nang ulamin. Uy! Ganda. Ito mga boss, bumili din tayo ng brake pad pin, pang Brembo 2-pot and 4-pot. Dito natin sila lalagay para kahit pa paano magka-detalye. Kulay green yung binili natin. Para testing lang kung okay. Testing natin.
Episode 6.
Let's go. Blitz up. Sticks up. I'm in the 4x4. Yeah, I got my wrist up. Chain, here came from dang. I got a Taylor. It's a mess on my face. I'm trying to get a layup. On the south side, coolin' with a list. Shout out my best. I got it sending me vids, make a little nest. I put a switch on all my blitz, make it look clear.